What if I told you that the birds chirping outside your window are actually living dinosaurs? It's true. Modern birds evolved from a group of two-legged, meat-eating dinosaurs known as theropods, which includes the mighty T-Rex and the agile Velociraptor. Fossils like Archaeopteryx, discovered in 1861, showcase features of both birds and dinosaurs, such as feathers and skeletal structures. Over millions of years, these ancient creatures shrank in size, developed beaks, and adapted to flight. So, next time you see a pigeon or a sparrow, remember, you're looking at a tiny, feathered descendant of the dinosaurs.